Hello everyone, Bruce Elgort here with a follow-up video on strings in PHP. Let's take a look at line 9 and line 10, where we have two variables defined, $firstname and $lastname. Each is assigned a string. On line 11, I have an echo function that displays the first name variable. It gets concatenated here with a dot with a space, and then concatenated with the last name. And if I go to my browser and I look at demo 5, you can see here I get Bruce Elgort displayed just the way I expect it to, right? That's pretty cool, right? That's the basics of the echo function, which we covered in a prior video. But you could also do something like this: echo, and place a set of double quotes. And again, I'm emphasizing double quotes here, not single quotes. And before I do that, I'm just going to comment out that line on 11. And now I'm going to say $firstname space $lastname. So you see what I did there? In one set of quotations, I put both variables. Okay. So line 11 and 12 are pretty much identical, right? So let's save this. Let's go back here and refresh the browser. And cool. That's what I expected to happen, right? So let me leave that line there. Okay. And let me copy it. Let me copy it right here. And I'm going to paste it in right here on line 13. Tab it on over. Tab it on over. And now I'm going to replace the double quotes with single quotes. Ready? I'm going to replace those double quotes with single quotes. So let's see what happens. Ready? Really important. I'm going to refresh. And oh, PHP is omitting the literal text that's in between those single quotes, which happens to be $firstname and $lastname. So look at line 11 and look at line 12 and note how the double quotes work and how the single quotes work. Okay? One more thing I want to show you in this video, and that is going to be what happens if you want to take some double quotes, right, and put some variables in there, but right after, say, you omit, right, that what do you call it? That variable there, you wanted to put some more text. I'm just going to put is a nice guy. Okay, just like that. What happens if you wanted to do that? Well, that's going to break because PHP is going to see it, and let me just show it to you. Ready? It's going to break, right? Undefined variable, first name is. So let's go back. And when you want to put variable names right next to some text, you use these curly braces or mustaches, right? Just like that. So you put those around the variable, including the $sign. You go back to your page and you refresh, and now you have the text that you want. Yeah, I know that this is a poor example, but I just wanted to show you that you can place a variable right next to other string content, right, as long as you use these curly braces. Okay, so I just wanted to show you double quotes versus single quotes and the use of the curly braces in your PHP.